In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Terrain Elevation Import Wizard. To import terrain, we can use the Terrain Elevation Import Wizard found under the Tools menu. To do this, we'll click on Tools, select Terrain Elevation Import Wizard, click Next, and I'm going to select this CSV file that I have here. Because it's a CSV in the way it was created, I'm going to go ahead and click on Custom, and I'm going to select the Start column to the X. Go ahead and click Next. And then the drawing units is going to be feet, because it was measured in feet. Scale factor 1. And then I like to do the slice distance around 1 foot for smaller project and 2 feet for larger projects. You can even go down to 6 inches if you want the contour lines to be closer. I'm going to go ahead and click Next and Finish. And OK. As you can see, there are contour lines already imported into the software. I'm going to go ahead and click on Perspective to see what it looks like. And as you can see, the terrain is already sculpted and ready to be designed on. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions about our software, please check out ideaspectrum.com or email support@ideaspectrum.com.